How's it going, everybody? Yes, I am alive and well. Everything has just been crazy in life lately, and I'm very excited to tell you guys about it. The video is going to be very talkative. I'm going to be spewing a lot of information at you guys, telling you guys kind of what's been going on in our life, why I haven't been uploading, what's been going on with the truck, what's been going on with the house, and all sorts of stuff like that. So we'll start off with the last thing that I told you guys about before I disappeared for 2 months. Ciara and I are in the process of buying a home. We put an offer in about 50 days ago, and we've been going through hurdle after hurdle for this. Trying to buy a house during a pandemic is a pain in the butt, you guys. I know there's a lot worse things going on in the world, and I hope you guys are staying healthy, you guys are staying safe, and everything like that. In the process of buying a home, we started this whole process before all this happened, and it was all going smooth, and then when this happened, stuff kind of occurred, and it started causing issues and started causing these hurdles that seem to be impossible to meet. We'll get to one, and then there's a new one set, and it's just been absolutely crazy. If you guys are getting wind noise, I apologize. It's kind of windy. It's a beautiful day out though, so I want to be outside. But I'm really hoping that this house thing works out. We're working through everything. This is a beautiful home, and I'm so excited to end up sharing it with you guys, showing you guys where Ciara and I will be living, and obviously not giving you the address, but having a shop space that we can work on the truck, maybe hang stuff up on the walls, have you guys send me some stuff, you know, like fan mail, that kind of stuff, so you guys can be included in the video, and we'll have like a wall of like license plates and stuff like that. I've always wanted to have a license plate from every state, so we'll see if that ends up being a thing, but that's not important right now. So we're keeping our fingers crossed for the house. Cross your fingers, you guys, cross your toes, cross everything you have that this house works out for Ciara and I. It's an amazing place, and we never thought we'd be able to get something like it. That's about it for the house. On to the truck. So if you guys follow my Instagram, you know that yesterday I posted a photo of the truck being towed again. So sadly, this truck has been towed more than anything else I've ever owned, but it's been a great truck and I can't ever get rid of it. Basically, it was something really silly. It was two bad batteries. I ended up taking both batteries out, taking them down to a local shop. They tested them, tried to trickle charge them, and then test them again, and they were both bad. So now with both those batteries replaced, the truck fires up better than it ever has. It's quick start. I wanted to show you guys. So now you guys can see the truck is healthy again, and it's been great. It is a little dirty. We've been super busy with this whole house process and a lot of other things going on in life, but we just haven't had the chance to, you know, do anything fun or recreational. It's just been super busy, and yeah. And so with that, the channel will continue. It's just been a short hiatus. I've been super busy. Like I said, I just haven't had time to do anything hobby related or do anything like YouTube, as much as I love it. But I've been watching the channel grow, and you guys, thank you so much. I've been watching the subscriber count go up. You guys are still watching my videos. You guys, that means so much to me, and I really want you to know that I appreciate it. It's been crazy. 2 months with no uploads, and I'm still getting subscribers. I think I've gained 200. Thank you guys. You guys are absolutely awesome, and I couldn't do this without you. All right, you guys, so it is the next day, and as I was washing the truck, it hit me. I forgot something very important in the video. So I wanted to mention to you guys, I get a lot of comments about the KC Turbos coupon not working anymore. Sadly, it doesn't work anymore because there was a whole affiliate program, and I was a part of that, so I did make a little bit of a commission off of what you guys were buying, but people were abusing that, and you weren't supposed to post it onto forums or anything like that. You were just supposed to post it on your social media, so like my YouTube and Instagram, and that was okay. But other people were abusing the program and posting it everywhere, so they were making boatloads of money off KC Turbos, disobeying the rules. And so, you know, as you guys know, one ruins it for all, and so that coupon code was taken away. Now, I don't know if there's gonna be any coupons or anything yet. We're still kind of figuring that out with KC Turbos, but if you use the link down below, and I'll try to post it on all the old videos for the KC Turbos. And if you guys are on the old videos and you see people commenting, you know, this turbo doesn't work, please just, you know, copy and paste the link and get them through that link. So as of right now, that is the only way that I can make any sort of money off of the KC Turbos. It used to be that coupon code, but we'll figure that out later. So thank you guys for being patient. We're gonna get this all figured out. I'm actually not entirely sure how the new affiliate program will work. I've been talking with them, but it's been kind of hard with the whole pandemic going on. So it's been hard to stay in contact with them and kind of figure things out. So once this is all cleared up, we'll kind of get something figured out, and I'll talk to them, see if I can work something out for you guys, because I know you guys really like that coupon, and you guys were supporting me, and that was just awesome. And I love being able to give you guys a discount on such an important part for these trucks. So that's about it. Just a quick update. Yes, I'm alive. We are staying healthy and safe. Ciara and I are okay. Our dogs are okay. This whole house thing, it's a bump in the road, but we will get there, and regular uploads will continue. I plan on doing a whole house tour, showing you guys what we're doing to the house, painting, all sorts of things like that. Get you guys the the most important part, which is the garage. We're gonna get that nice and built, do something fun in there, and then I'll have a nice spot to, you know, maybe finally do some injectors on the truck. We'll see. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching my videos and just sticking it out with me. You guys are awesome. So stay healthy, you guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.